Quick reading for December the 29th to December the 30th, fire signs. Finally, eto na. No? Kasi nakakita tayo with the Three of Pentacles. Medyo pinag-isipan talaga nating mabuti how we can have a committed relationship with a person. There are, with the Strength card, there are actually moments that probably you are pwede siguro sinasabi mo dito, paano ko ba gagawin na mag-focus sa akin si person, no? Kasi parang um, napupundi na ako, no? Nandun na, nasa rurok na ako ng inis, no? Pero kahit ganun pa man, hindi ka bumitaw. With the Three of Pentacles, you've probably experimented with a lot of ways. Santong paspasan, santong dasalan, but here you are. So something's going to manifest in one of those strategies, no? With the Strength card and the Four of Wands. So I feel like magkakaroon ito ng another level or mapupunta kayo into another level of commitment dahil nga din sa iyong hindi pagbitaw, sa iyong um, pagkakaroon ng persistence dito sa connection to make it work, no? So this is your quick reading, fire signs for December the 29th to December the 30th.
Predicting future is my purpose.